Amazing and Valuable Thoughts by legendary Bob Marley.
The truth is, everyone is going to hurt you. You just got to find the ones worth suffering for. They gave me star treatment because I was making a lot of money, but I was just as good when I was poor. Love the life you live. Live the life you love. Open your eyes. Look within. Are you satisfied with the life you're living? You can fool some people sometimes, but you cannot fool all the people all the time. In this bright future, you can't forget your past. My music fights against the system that teaches to live and die. Never expect God to do for you what you don't do to others. You will never know how strong you are until being strong is the only choice you have. Get up, stand up for your rights. Get up, stand up, don't give up the fight.